is Preeti Pandurang Haldankar and I'm from St. Thomas Girls High School, Alvana. I secured 92% in my board examinations.
How did you manage to?
People say you have to have a strict timetable in order to secure a higher percentage. It's not like that. It's how you study. I studied with my full concentration and that's why I was able to secure such a high percentage. Yeah.
Okay. So who are the people who helped you in this?
Obviously, my parents, my teachers and God.
Okay. What was your timetable like?
I didn't have a proper timetable there. I just studied. I went on studying.
Okay. So were you frightened to answer the board exam?
Obviously. Yeah, I was frightened.
Okay. So what is your advice to young students?
I want to tell them do their best and do their best.
Okay. What about those who have failed?
I will advise them to try again, and we will succeed.
Okay. What is your ambition now?
I want to be a Hindi professor. That's my dream, and I don't know what God has for me. So yeah.
Okay. So what stream are you going to follow now?
Arts.
Hello, my name is Serena and I appeared this year for the SSC board exams and I have achieved 89%. This is because of my hard work and my parents' support. I'm very happy with the percentage and I'm planning to take arts since I'm interested in teaching. And
How did you manage to get so high percentage?
yeah, I had a very good timetable. My father helped me in making a timetable. I didn't watch TV for a month and I did most of the time I was studying. I put in all my efforts and I used to get up early to study and yeah.
What about the teachers in the school? How did they help you?
The teachers were very supportive, actually very supportive. They were always with me, even if I had some difficulty, I went to them. They always used to help me, and yeah.
What are the other co-curricular activities you took part?
We have many activities in our school. We had a carol singing competition, so our class took part in that. We won the first place also, and even though we had our studies, our class, we always took part in various activities.
So what is your message to the upcoming students now?
My message is that studying is very important and studying education will take you somewhere and make you a successful person in life. So it is important to study and yeah.
What is the message to the failures who have not succeeded in passing?
I would suggest them not to get disappointed, not to lose heart, and it's never too late. They can try again and succeed.
Hi, my name is Mineka Fernandez. I am from St. Thomas Girls High School. I just passed my SSC with a percentage of 87.50.
So what do you aim to do now?
I would like to take science. I am very thankful first of all to God for giving me support, for being with me. I'd like to thank my parents and my teachers who have always supported me, who have taught me a lot and who have always been there with me.
What about your tuitions?
I was a little weak in Hindi, so I went to tuition to Miss Alka from Porvarim. She's a very good teacher and normally I had say 68-70 marks in Hindi, but with her help I managed to get 88 out of 100 this time. And I'm also very thankful to Miss Masya, my maths teacher, who really helped me to get really good marks in maths.
Okay. What is your advice to the young students?
I would like to advise them to just have faith that they can do it and then put in hard work. Because if you are smart but you don't put in hard work, then you will not really produce much. But if you are smart and you work very hard, then you can achieve anything.
Okay. How was your timetable at home?
I used to come home from school tired, but still I had to go for tuitions every day. One day I used to go for Hindi to Porvorim, one day for maths. So every day was very tiring, but I used to get little time after that. But I used to put in lots of hours for studying so that I could achieve what I had always wanted.
What about your co-curricular activities?
In my free time, I read a lot, and I go out talking to my neighbors and all this, and I try to visit my friends often.
Okay, what is your advice to the students who did not cope up this time?
I would advise them not to feel disheartened, that there is always a second chance, and to try harder next time.
Hello, my name is Rishita Jagannathan and I have studied in St. Thomas Girls High School. I have secured 87% in my SSC board examination. I'm really happy about it.
And what made you to achieve this percentage?
It was the support of my parents which made me feel like I have to work very hard. It was their belief in me which made me work so hard. I had never ever thought that I will secure such a great percentage, and I'm happy with it.
How have you prepared yourself for the exam?
I too didn't have a strict timetable for it. I used to study whenever I felt like studying, like I had a proper concentration on it.
Okay, what is your young advice to the students?
My advice to the young ones is not to waste their times on social medias, first of all. Use their time correctly and study every day. It is what will make you someone in your life. Simply don't waste your time on mobiles and all.
My name is Bhakti Sundar Reddy. I am from St. Thomas Girls High School. I got 84.6% and I'm going to take science now. And after 12th, I answer NEET and the BHMS.
Okay, what was your timetable? How was your timetable to study?
Timetable, I used to give equal time for studies and take rest also at the same time.
Okay, whom are you going to give credit to?
I would like to give credit to first of all my teachers, parents and all those who worked hard to help me study.
Okay, what is your ambition in life?
I want to become a doctor.
Okay, what is your advice to young students?
They should give equal time for studying as well as sports and take rest as well.